Long division. For long division, we need to understand a few things first. First, we need to know the parts of a division. In this case, we have a dividend, which is 11, and that's divided by 2, the divisor. And this equals the quotient, or answer, and leaves a remainder of 1, the remainder. The divisor is separated from the dividend by a right parenthesis, or vertical bar, and the dividend is separated from the quotient by a vinculum, an over bar. Step 1. Look at the first number of the dividend from the left. Check if this number is greater than or equal to the divisor. If you can divide, write the number that you can divide by on top of the bar. In this case, we can't divide into the first number, so we put a 0. Step 2. If you have written a 0, move to the next column and combine the first and second number. In this case, we're now dividing 2 into 11. Divide the divisor into the tens dividend and write the answer on top, and the divided amount under the dividend. Step 3. Subtract the result from the dividend and write the difference below. So now we have 11 take away 10, which equals 1. Step 5. Write any remainders at the end of the quotient, the answer, as r followed by the remainder. In this case we have 5 remainder 1.